Hey, how's it going? This is Badtuna Bob. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope your new year started off with a well, now's a good time to start your New Year's resolution if you haven't done so already. So for me, my New Year's resolutions is to help anyone who is interested or who just got started in creating designs for t-shirt applications and as well as video editing. So my plan is to create several tips and tricks videos on how to create simple designs, how to edit and modify photos, and how to create and edit videos using templates as well as adding audio. I don't claim to be an expert in either field because I'm always learning the trade. However, I do have 20 plus years experience in creating designs for t-shirt applications and at least 6 years of creating cinematic and promotional video content for social media as well as for commercial use. So my tips and tricks video will be centered on three applications, which includes. All right, first up is Corel Draw. It's the 2019 version. It's an older version, but it's more than powerful enough for my use when creating t-shirt designs in vector format. The latest Corel Draw is subscription-based. I prefer just buying the software outright and not worry about monthly or yearly payments. You can go ahead and check that out. I think it's like $179 annually, but again, I prefer just buying the software outright. And this is just an example of one of my t-shirt designs, fish designs that's on my website. Alright, so the next software is Adobe Photoshop Elements 2020. It's an older version as well, but still a great tool I use almost every day to edit and modify photos and create digital content for advertisement or even for promotional use as shown here. Last but not least, Wondershare Filmora 12 latest version. I've been a lifetime user since version 9 and I have created many videos with this software. In my opinion, it is one of the best video editing software for beginners or even advanced users. Albeit I'm not a Filmora expert, but I do know a few tricks and shortcuts to help beginners get started in editing their videos. This is a recent video sample for New Year's that I put together. So whether I'm selling t-shirts online or creating ads and promotional stuff for digital use, or even selling my photos and videos online, these software I truly rely on as tools of the trade. So stay tuned for my upcoming tips and tricks videos. And before you go, and if you like this video, please give me a like or leave a comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Mahalo for watching.